Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of Python programming and graphics. Specifically, we'll learn how to create a mesmerizing circular pattern using Python's Turtle graphics library. Let's dive right into the code. We'll break it down line by line to understand how each part contributes to drawing our beautiful circular pattern.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
First, we import the Turtle module from the Turtle library. This module allows us to create graphics using Turtle graphics. Next, we set up the screen using the screen function. We set the background color to black using the bgcolor method. Now, we create a turtle object named T using the turtle function. We set its speed to the fastest using the speed method. We define a list of colors representing the colors we'll use for our pattern: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now, let's draw our colorful circular pattern. We loop through a range of 300 iterations. Inside the loop, we set the pen color to the current color of the pattern using the color method and cycle through colors using the modulo operator. We increase the pen size as the pattern progresses using the pen size method, creating a dynamic effect. Then, we move the turtle forward by the current iteration value using the forward method and turn it right by 59 degrees using the right method. Inside a nested loop, we further enhance our pattern by drawing smaller arcs using the same colors. Finally, we hide the turtle using the hideTurtle method so it doesn't appear in the final drawing. And there you have it. We've successfully created a mesmerizing circular pattern using Python's Turtle graphics library. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials and graphics demonstrations. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.